back to my channel. So in this video, as you can see from the little clip maybe right here, I'm showing you how I make a Napoleon overnight oats. So I'm just going to go in right into what I'm doing now, and then I'll explain later. So this, I made a bowl of rolled oats and I mixed in almond milk with some yogurt, from vanilla yogurt. Sometimes I use strawberry banana, and I'll mix it up and I'll put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours and I'll bring it out and I just start making it. So I have 3 small bowls there. The first one you see is that I'm dividing all of the oatmeals into 3 bowls, obviously. And then the first one is I'm using a little bit of vanilla extract and probably like a teaspoon or half a teaspoon, and I mix it up. And then the second one I'm using pureed strawberries. So I just get some strawberries, a little bit of water, and blend it all together. And there's my pureed strawberries, and I just put that in the second bowl. And if I have extra strawberries left over, then I'll just put it in the freezer and use it for next time I make this treat again, I guess you would say so. And then the third bowl, I use cocoa powder, and I just blend that in. Now I don't know the exact measurements, I'm just estimating as I go. So yeah, I explained that super fast. So as you see me continuously getting all these ingredients together, wow. Reason why I'm always on Pinterest, most of the time Pinterest, or on the internet, trying to find some meal or a healthy snack or healthy meal that I can make for my family, because I don't want their foods to be like the same every day or every week or be boring. I want it to be something new and exciting and also healthy at the same time. So I came across this, they call it something else. I call it Napoleon overnight oats. Maybe that's what it's called because it looks like Napoleon ice cream. So I made this for my daughter a couple times to see if she liked it, and she liked it. And the fun part about it is that when each of it has layers, because when you put it together in the mason jar, which you're about to see me do, I put in the chocolate first, and then the strawberry, and then the vanilla on top. So she was excited to get to each level. So, and plus overnight oats or oatmeals are very filling and it's healthy. And so I was like, okay, I'll make it. And I also made, like, this container I'm making in this video is, I'm making a small amount. I'm making it for my son because I told him I would never make him any more overnight oats because he never eats it and he wastes it. And it sits there for days, and I get frustrated because I don't like wasting food. It's too expensive, especially when you're eating healthy. Healthy food is expensive. And I don't want to waste food. So I gave him a break. I haven't made him overnight oats in a very long time, and I told him I would never make it. And I don't know why I go back on my word, but he's like, please, mommy, please. And I'm like, fine. So he knows if he doesn't eat it, he's in trouble. So that's his overnight oats. I didn't make him too much. That way he won't be obligated to finish the full container, which is, I'm going to make my daughter a full container. So when I first started making overnight oats, I would do with the bananas and like pureed bananas, and then I'll do it with the chia seeds and the oats, of course, almond milk and soy milk, and I put something else in there. Oh, and yogurt. And my daughter loved it, like absolutely loved it. So I want to explore. Well, I did explore. I made different types of overnight oats, and she didn't really take too much to it. So I think I'm going to keep exploring to see what else I can make for her. And I don't know, that'd be exciting. It's always fun to try new things, and then your kids, and then you hope that your children like it, and then they like it, and it's always fulfilling. Like, oh, okay, yay. They like something I make. Because, you know, children are very picky eaters. It's frustrating, like very, very picky. So yeah, okay, so that should be coming to the end of my video. You can see, like, it's so pretty, you know, nice colorful overnight oats. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and push the notification button. That way you know the next time I upload a video, which is every Tuesday. If you're new to my channel, welcome, and thank you so much for watching and subscribing. I post all types of videos on my channel, whether it's cooking or hair product reviews or hairstyles or exercising or just road trips with my family. I don't like to stick to one subject, so I'm always posting something different. So keep watching and stay tuned. Until next time, bye.